G'day guys, and welcome to another NY update video. Now, once again, before we get underway, make sure to hit that like button. Also leave a comment down below. Let me know how you went during today's London session. If you did manage to get involved in any entries, how did you go? I mean, for me, look at that. For me, I cannot find any clear probable entry within it. There was no catalyst, there was no confirmations, there's just nothing for me to take amongst all this on GJ. And gold is the same, just consolidation with absolutely no direction. Very difficult trading. As per my plan, nothing's hit the box, and experience tells me to avoid the impulse entries when price is trading as is, well, not trending at all when it's consolidating as is on both GJ and gold. So anyway, moving forward, charts basically the exact same place where we left at the end of the stream. GJ just needs to clear this range now. We tapped in. Good thing is during London today, we tapped into that 4-hour support. So we should not break that. We should not come back down and break our own low. So first of all, for sales, I'm not going to be selling it below this. So it's just a mess. This area, for me, is pretty much that, a write-off. Basically a write-off. I would be avoiding it at this stage. What I'd be looking for is if we break the current daily candles low, start popping below that previous 4-hour resistance below 191,590, below 191,60 roughly. That's when I trust the sells that we're going to clear out of this range into range below, clean traffic to the left, breaking the daily low, creating a lower low, likely to continue to the downside. Now, as for buys, two options. Both aren't impulsive in my opinion just now. Need to wait simply for that confirmation or closure above, tap in for continuation. Yes, clean traffic to the left, but twice it's tried to break above the high and failed, only to pull back and reject. So wait for that confirmation, wait for the closure, wait for that pullback to retest that zone and tap in, and then look for your buy option. It's the safest way to play when it's like this. Further buys, if we make a clean move now just down to this 4-hour support, respect the current daily candles low, or even pull back below it, create a low low, only to close back above 191,630. You're waiting for your confirmations and your catalysts at that level of support for potential buy options, take it back up towards the current daily candles high. Gold. Similar to GJ, gold has not come down to retest this 4-hour resistance previous level from today, I think it was, from the open basically. So what I want to see now is, just pull this down, that by looks of it, I want to see gold actually pull back into it. Again, similar to GJ, if it makes the clear move down and even tries to pop a lot, only to reject and close back above, be a liquidity grab from downside, pop back above that support, close above 23.30, would be options to buy it at that point there. So I would be putting in buys above. Now, further buys above the resistance form within a current daily candle. I say if we close above 23.50, closure above, tap in, going to fill this wick to the left and retest the high of the current daily candle, potentially creating a higher high, creating another new all-time high, continuing to the upside. So look for those potential buy options. Now, as for the sells, either clean move up, respect the resistance form within the current daily candle, so not create a higher high, start to pop a lot. Look for my catalyst and price action to sell from the highs. Otherwise, once again, if we do pop down to this previous support, bounce off it, create a lower high, lower low, start to pop below 23.27, I'd be considering my sell options at that point there as per the stream. GU analysis is again as per the stream. This level is now just a write-off. Very choppy, exactly the same as per stream. If we come back up and retest the current daily candles high, retest this resistance only to reject, I'd be looking for my sell options. Buys, if we start to pop above the 4-hour resistance at 1.264, so around that 1.2650 in a psychological round number, further buy options and sell options at the current daily candles low. So within the current daily, form support or form resistance. If we are to continue bullish, we should respect the support, form another support at that level, and look for our catalyst in price action to look for a potential buy, take it back up towards the high. Now, if we begin to again, we approach it, maybe have a little pullback, similar to gold, only to close below the support. That point there, likely going to head down. So I'd look for my potential sells below 1.26150. That would make sense for me to look for the sell option that point there. Finally, onto NAS. So price actually pulled back to that support, as I mentioned on the stream. So this is still, again, similar. Now what all I do is drag this up, this resistance, and I'd say we begin to now pull back up to that level, only to reject it. We are technically flipped structure and our bias bearish on NAS, believe it or not. I would say if we pull back up and reject 137, sorry, roughly, then we're respecting a resistance form within a current daily candle. What have we got in the high time frame? Daily is forming bearish, doesn't happen up a wick, so the previous daily closed bullish. So if we were to continue bearish, I definitely want to see us respect the current daily candle's high. If we break it, likely going to pull back further into this resistance, then buys above that level of the previous daily candle's high, which was a strong bullish candle, would make absolutely perfect sense upon continuation. I would definitely entertain that, clean traffic to the left. What I would also entertain right now, guys, is if the candle flips back bullish, seeing with great support at previous level of support here to the left, or our level, if we break through the resistance form within a current daily candle, flip the current daily bullish above this 18174.5, roughly 0.6. So something like so, flip it bullish, maybe tap into the highs of this resistance, only to pull back, almost support, make some clean moves. I would look to buy it from higher up at that point. So not straight away when we flip the current daily candle bullish, not necessarily in that move. It may be, just depends how price approaches that level. But what it could mean is just wait for the move or a closure at minimum, closure above that level. Got some actual pretty clean traffic to the left in the M30. Closure above, pull back, tap in to retest in the daily open, begin to pull away from it, and there could be some potential buy options at that point there. So just going to put it in here, but you guys get the picture. Be from the same level. Basically, I've got the sells below. I would entertain potential buyers. So not the initial flip on the daily, rather let it flip, pull back, form support, and then buy it. Take it up towards the previous daily candle's high as the early entry, and further buyers above that upon continuation. That's a wrap, guys. Trade safe. Don't do anything stupid. Don't force it. First day of the week. It's a bit choppy at the moment. Just wait for your confirmations. Analyze, confirm, and trade, guys. That's all we do. That's what we do here. Cheers, guys. Trade safe. Tomorrow I'll be on about probably 30 minutes to 40 minutes to 30 minutes prior to London Open. See you then, guys. Cheers. Bye for now.